Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Sony camera with Elgato Cam Link 4K. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an Elgato Cam Link 4K and you want to use it so that you can record video from your camera straight to your computer. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you're going to need is that you need an HDMI to micro HDMI cable. So this is what that looks like. The HDMI portion is going to get inserted into your Elgato Cam Link just like that. And then you want to go ahead and grab your micro HDMI end. And then depending on what model of camera you have, or Sony camera that you have, there should be an input for HDMI. So this is a Sony a7 III. And as you can see, it says HDMI here. We're going to connect one end of the HDMI into that side. Now go ahead and grab your Cam Link 4K and insert it into the USB input of your computer, just like this. And then once you've done so, we are going to use OBS as our example. So we have OBS loaded up. For sources, you want to add a video capture source. So click on this plus button and then click on video capture device. Once you add video capture device, you want to right click it, click on properties. And then for the device, you want to select Cam Link 4K and then click on OK. And then the last step you need to do is that you actually need to just turn your camera on. So go ahead and turn on your camera, give it a couple seconds to load, and there you have it. We've now gone ahead and connected our Cam Link 4K with our Sony camera to OBS. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.